Hi, welcome to my garden. I'm Kristin Omdahl, and today I want to show you how to make one of my all-time favorite salads, and that is watermelon and feta salad. It's so good. Many years ago, probably over 20 years ago, I was first introduced to the flavor combination of watermelon and feta at a bar on the Mediterranean Sea in Israel. And ever since I came back home, I've tried to incorporate that flavor profile in a salad. And this is my absolute favorite way to incorporate watermelon and feta in a salad. I hope you enjoy it. I know I'm going to enjoy having this for my lunch today. There's cucumber and mint, watermelon, feta, romaine lettuce, red onion, and a delicious lime vinaigrette. It's so crunchy. So many bold, vibrant flavors. Takes about 5 minutes to put together. Doesn't cost that much money. And it's healthy and delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all for me, please leave them for me in the comments. There's a link provided in the video description so you can get this recipe for yourself. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.